AI-designed structures are not only stronger but also more efficient, using materials in a way that minimizes waste while maximizing strength and durability. A new bridge in China will use AI-designed cantilevers to span a distance of over 1,000 meters. This ambitious project showcases the potential of AI in creating large-scale infrastructure that is both resilient and sustainable. This will be one of the longest bridges in the world. The use of AI in its design ensures that it can withstand extreme weather conditions and heavy traffic loads, making it a marvel of modern engineering. Another exciting area is the development of sky gardens. These innovative structures bring nature into urban environments, providing much-needed green spaces in densely populated areas. These are buildings with large cantilevered gardens that extend out from the sides. These terraces not only enhance the building's aesthetic appeal, but also offer environmental benefits, such as improved air quality and reduced urban heat island effect. These gardens provide a green oasis in the middle of the city. They offer residents a place to relax and connect with nature, improving overall well-being and quality of life. The integration of AI in designing these spaces ensures they are both functional and beautiful.
The use of AI in structural engineering is still in its early stages. While we are just beginning to scratch the surface of its capabilities, the potential applications are vast and transformative. However, it is clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we build. Imagine a world where buildings are not only constructed faster, but also with a level of precision and safety that was previously unimaginable. AI can help us to create buildings that are stronger, safer, and more sustainable. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can predict potential structural issues before they arise, ensuring that buildings are not only robust, but also environmentally friendly. AI can also help us to build faster and more efficiently. With the ability to automate repetitive tasks, construction projects can be completed in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. This is because AI can automate many of the tasks that are currently done by humans. From laying bricks to assembling complex structures, AI-driven machinery can handle it all with precision and speed. This will free up engineers to focus on more creative and strategic work. Instead of getting bogged down by routine tasks, they can dedicate their time to designing innovative structures and solving complex engineering challenges. The future of construction is not just about building faster, but building smarter and more sustainably.
In the future, AI will play an even bigger role in structural engineering. We can expect to see even more amazing buildings that are made possible by AI. AI will also help us to create buildings that are more responsive to their environment. For example, AI could be used to design buildings that can adapt to changing weather conditions. The future of building is exciting. AI is helping us to create a world where anything is possible.